we are heading out. I'm going to the bank first. I gotta go to Navy Federal, do some stuff, and then after that, we going to Dollar Tree because I want to see what type of stuff they got so I can get some crafts so I can start making my crafts for Christmas time, so that I can go ahead and get that stuff in order. So that's what I'm about to get ready to do now with baby boy number 1. 2 and 3, the twins, are in the house with daddy. I was trying to get off scot-free, y'all. I was trying to go without any children, but I felt bad. So I was like, I'm going to just take the big boy with me and daddy can stay with the little babies. So that way, mommy can still get some shopping done in peace. And when the babies go to sleep, daddy can go to sleep too. So, see y'all again shortly once I come to a stop, because right now we parked. Hey, Snoopy. Hey. Thank you so much, baby. Boy, don't. No, I got that lemonade. So both of mine.
No, it's not. Because I had one that somebody couldn't keep their lips on.
Hey, you wasn't even drinking it, though.
I gotta drink everything so fast.
Oh, you full of it. Because you always drinking my stuff.
Oh, I know. That's you.
And no, that's me.
Can't have nothing.
You right. I can't have nothing. We back from the store.
Stretch a line, find a thief.
Stretch a line, find you a thief. We went to Dollar Tree. I tried to vlog a little bit in there, but that Dollar Tree was crowded. It was a lot of stuff. But that Dollar Tree also had a lot of good stuff. So, I ain't complaining. I'm going to show y'all some of the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree soon. I ended up taking my happy behind. Supposed to be getting something to eat. Took my ass to Publix and come out with groceries. So, that's what happened. But we back home. Baby boy Latif is about to eat him some nuggets. Are cooking in the Ninja Grill some nuggets. So they'll be done soon. I actually need to flip these. Daddy, did daddy flip your nuggets? Exactly. Mommy gonna flip them. I can get it all. Okay. Baby boy only eating 4 nuggets, and then I'm gonna air fry me some corn dogs because them things good in the air fry. And I have to dispose of all of these bags. Gotta pull all these things up. So yeah, I went shopping. I did manage to swing by the store and get me some of this, so I can be momming and chilling. Because you always a mom, and I'm gonna be trying to be chilling and probably watch some type of movie. So I got some of that. And hubby's simple. He get a beer and shots. So that's what we're gonna be on for the rest of the day. morning, cuties. So it is now Sunday. I did not show y'all the decorations yesterday. Things got a little hectic with the twins last night. They was hungry, they was fussy, they didn't want to go to sleep. Then I got the 2-year-old, so because you know I got 3 under 3, so hey, had to make sure the family was good first. So that was that. I am making me some coffee in my coffee maker. About to make some turkey sausage. About to make a turkey sausage sandwich actually, because we do not eat pork in this house. So that's what's happening for today so far. It's 8:14 a.m. I keep forgetting. I was about to say 9 o'clock, but I never changed the time on my stove, so that would be wrong. But it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and my house usually gets up this early anyway, just because we're used to life from work and school and everything like that. So that's why everybody is up. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to try to come back on later on to show y'all the decorations. And if y'all drink coffee, do y'all like this brand? Apparently me and my husband do. He picked this up out of Publix. We have a Publix here. So this is the kind. He liked the Colombian, but they didn't have the Colombian in a bigger bag like this. And they were at Publix, buy one get one free. So, and then I have my backup bag right there. So this is about going, and I'm probably gonna start a backup bag tomorrow or so. But yeah, that's just that. So that's what's happening this morning. And I shall see. Ooh, Auntie Flo really messing up my skin. I got these blue and silver ornaments because, like I said, my house decorations are blue because it's my favorite color. The year before that, I had a colorful tree just because I got a tree at the last minute. Because before that, I wasn't really caring about decorating or celebrating Christmas like that. But once I had my son, my first son, I wanted a tree and it made me happy. So, got one. Got these from Dollar Tree also. These, all the stuff really came from Dollar Tree except for 2 things was that I thought these were cute to add to the tree to kind of fill it up this year. I think I got some pictures of the tree from last year. If I can find them, I will probably try to insert them in here. But I thought this was cute. I didn't get this for the tree. What it is I got this to hang like from my bar area or like the TV entertainment center that we have, because it's a hanging one. It floats, so it's not one on the floor. So it has like 3 shelves. So I thought this was really cute. So I got 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. They had white ones. So the foam on the other ones were white. And then the foam on this one is gray or like silver. So I thought these would look better. I got some mesh decorative ribbons to put with a tree or like wrap around a wreath that my niece helped make last year. And this is for the same thing, but this one has like a paint underline to be like iridescent. They should still go fine. I got these little lights. It's probably not going to be enough because it's like a 5 feet light, but it's only 20 lights on them. But my tree has colorful lights, which I hate. I want a new tree, but that'll just have to wait. I love these little things. I'm trying to wait for my niece to come like Friday, but I feel like these are probably going to be gone. And I think they had some in gold, and I don't know if I need to make the decision to know if I'm going to add gold or not this year, because right now I'm still sticking with silver. But I feel like I need something else to make the tree pop, so I might either add gold because I got gold balls, or maybe another color. These are tangled up. I thought I untangled these. But as you can see, it's got snowflakes on them. That's got bells on the end. That's basically what they are. I'm not about to untangle them right now. And more of those. More of these poinsettias, more lights, more of the. This is probably better to show because it's not tangled onto anything. So this was $1 for 2 of these. So I thought that was cute. These came from Hobby Lobby. These have nothing to do with Christmas. I bought these weeks ago for their 50% off home decor sale, and I just never bought them in the house. They was outside in the truck. I got this other ribbon from Dollar Tree too. I thought this would be real cute to either put on the tree or wrap on the wreath since it is blue. And then I did get 2 things of garland, but I'm clearly gonna need made more than this if I'm thinking about doing all the things with garland that I'm planning on doing. But this is the Dollar Tree garland. I want to go to Walmart to get some of the multi-dimensional garland also, like, so it won't be just this one little layer. The garland in Walmart, you know, it's got different layers so you can pull the branches out. And I just got this sign. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm not sure if I'm going to decorate the front door with it and like put some stuff around it, because I have these foam star full of snowflakes from last year, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I just kind of picked it up. Probably should have left it in the store, but I don't know. I'm going to put my mind to something. These are cute. I got some of these from Big Lots last year, but it has others from Dollar Tree. And I always see like YouTube videos of people using these, so I got some of these to see if I can like wrap it around the garland or maybe wrap it around my wreath when I put it on the door. Some of the ones they're on the timer. These are not on the timer. These are the clear ones. And I also got those shoes. Also got blue. So I figure either put those together or use them separately or mix them together since the theme is blue. And then I just got some Dollar Tree batteries, and then all that glitter is on there because of these. That's all that's left in these bags. So that was everything that I got from Dollar Tree. Not much of nothing. About $30 worth of stuff. About $30. Yeah, about $30 worth of stuff. So.